case study is on glutamate decarboxylase by Consuelo Lamina and Stephanie Lipson.
Consider the following. We have a good friend named Ryan, and he has been experiencing symptoms of fatigue, increased thirst, slight weight loss over the span of 2 months. After 2 months, he realized that his symptoms became stronger, prohibiting him to do certain tasks. What could Ryan be suffering with?
Ryan is diagnosed with type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes was discovered by von Mierig and Oskar Minokowski. In 1889, they did an experiment on a dog without a pancreas and noticed shortly it died without the organ. Later in 1910, this model was revised by Sir Edward Schaefer. He concluded that the lack of insulin that wasn't being produced in the pancreas was associated with diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is a chronic illness where the pancreas produces little to no insulin. Insulin is a hormone secreted by the pancreas that allows our body to use sugars, which is glucose, from carbohydrates in the foods that we consume for energy, which is ATP. When our immune system destroys beta cells located in the pancreas, the lack of insulin produced causes problems in energy storage. So this is a picture of the pancreas and the cells inside the pancreas. Islets are clusters of cells found in the pancreas, and the islet contains alpha, beta, and gamma cells. The beta cells are the red cells found in the middle picture. They store and release insulin. As you can see, they make up to 65 to 85% of the cells. Alpha cells produce hormones to elevate glucose levels, and gamma cells produce polypeptides that regulate secretion.
Glutamate decarboxylase, also known as GAD, is an enzyme that is responsible for synthesizing important inhibitory neurotransmitters known as GABA, which we'll talk about later in the video. GABA is one of the inhibitory neurotransmitters in the neurons, and as well as the beta pancreatic cells. So as mentioned earlier, GAD comes in two isomer forms of each other, GAD65 and GAD67. So GAD65 is responsible for major pancreatic isolates in our body, which are pre-positioned for autoimmune diseases, where GAD67 is responsible for encoding GABA.
I'll discuss gamma-aminobutyric acid, or GABA. Although GABA's primary functions are as a neurotransmitter, it has the structure of an amino acid and thus is referred to as an amino acid neurotransmitter. It is synthesized from another amino acid neurotransmitter, glutamate, in a reaction catalyzed by the enzyme glutamic acid decarboxylase.
Unfortunately, type 1 diabetes is a chronic illness with no cure as of today. There are therapeutics to regulate this disease. These contain dietary supplements, hormone therapy, injecting insulin, and regular physical activity. In conclusion, type 1 diabetes is a chronic illness with no cure as of today. Type 1 diabetes is when the pancreas cannot produce enough insulin or no insulin. When this happens, the body cannot store energy correctly. Thank you for watching our case study.